Hello, Mechanic Dan here with Runyon Surface Prep, and today we're going to be talking about the VonArx T7 dust extractor. Here we go. All right, this is a 230 volt system. This means little higher amperage for your grinder coming out because your grinder is going to be 230, tends to pull more amperage, 230, lower the voltage, raise the amperage. So here, let's start out. This is a 230 three-phase vac. You'll have, it's 7.5 kW, about 10 horsepower. You're going to have two receptacles, one male, one female. You're going to run no more than 100 foot of cable because you start losing voltage, and since you're already down 230, you don't want to be running too much longer cable. So these are 100 amp receptacles, both of them. This doesn't actually have to have that much. The vacuum itself only pulls a little over 25, right around 25 amp. So all your power that you need, why these receptacles are the large 100 amp, it's because you also got a pass through that's going to run your grinder. So you only have one supply line. So your grinder, it's going to be 230 volt also, and it's going to be pulling higher amp than the 480 volt. So you're going to get you a 100 amp cord at the most. You're going to plug it in. You have 4-pin receptacles. You have one 250 male, that's your input. You have 100 amp, 250 volt female, that's your pass through that you connect your grinder to and go out to grind. You're going to have a 30-foot 3-inch hose. You have a vac capacity of 353 CFM. All right, you have a 3-inch vacuum line, have a 76 millimeter inlet. It's 3-inch cam lock hose. All right, gonna have a 30-foot hose, 100 amp supply line, or 100-foot supply line with your 100 amp service. All right, try not to get any more than 100 foot. All right, one of the things you have to remember on these things, you must purge often. Purge a lot, which means I will be putting the blast gate up and purging. Purge several times. Oftentimes people just hit it a couple times and think that's good. The problem is you literally need to hold that down for a few seconds so all the dust can drop off your socks, get down into the bag, and then release it back up. Do that several times. All right. These things are pretty much bulletproof. Don't usually have any trouble, but if you do, there's two things to check. Really simple system. First thing you check on your control voltage, you have a small circuit breaker here. Just check your circuit breaker, flip it up, make sure it's not tripped, flip it down, it's off. One thing you have to remember when it comes to the European type circuit breakers, if you see green, that means stop, it's off. Red actually means it's good. So remember, green is tripped, red is ready to go. I know, seems weird. The only other thing you're going to have to worry about with the vac, you may have to hit your blue reset every once in a while. If something happens, you get a surge, drop voltage, drop a leg, or anything happens that makes the motor unhappy, your overload's going to trip really quick and it's already set to your amperage of your motor. Just hit your blue button, everything will reset, go back, check your leads, go back to vacuuming. So yep, this is a really, really simple, easy, like I say, remember you're dealing with 230 volt, your amperage on your grinder is going to be a little bit higher. Other than that, everything's pretty simple with this one. And if you have any questions, just give us a holler here at Runyon Surface Prep. Thank you very much.